Hey everybody, so I just had the best phone call and it reminded me that I need to train as much as possible and make it easy. So here's the thing. No question, the only question that's a dumb question is the one that's not asked. So if you don't know how to use something that I show in a video or something else, tell me. Like say, Aaron, I'm not seeing what you're seeing. Is there any way you could do it? And so somebody just called and they said, Aaron, so after we run out of all the loads that are on this list, then who could we call next? And so I told them, well, you could call some people that are right off of that trucking group because a lot of them probably have their own stuff that they need to move. And a lot of these are actually companies that own trucks. For example, like Staker Parsons Company right here. They own their own trucking company, but then they also deliver like gravel and things like that for construction. And so when they don't have their own trucks, they either have to go hire people or they have to go out and broker the freight externally to other trucking companies, right? Questar Gas Company, like there's a bunch of them on here, and they're just great companies that, you know, they already know exactly what you're going through. Winco Foods is a big one. So anyways, so he said, Aaron, I don't see what you're seeing. And so, because here's what I said to him. I said, the ones that for sure likely have them are the ones. So real quick, I'm going to go in here and I'm going to change this filter back to all so I can show you guys this. Okay, so basic stuff for Excel. Okay, so like that I just did. Okay, so very first thing that I would do when you download your list is I'd go in here and I'd click this top left square button right here. Okay, you're going to click that. And then you're going to go in here. You're likely on the home screen like this. So you're going to click that top left square button. Then you're going to go in here and get data. And then you're going to click filter. Okay. And these little drop down arrows will pop up. Okay. Then you can do what I was showing you earlier where their physical city right here. Okay. So first off, I can't see all of these very well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back up here again and I'm going to click on that top left square button. Then I'm going to go out here to one of these lines that are in between these and I'm going to double click with my mouse. Okay. So watch. Okay, I double clicked it and then everything's gonna pop up real wide like this so then we can see everything clearly, right? So now let's say that I wanna go and I wanna find, I've got a load that pops up on the available load list. So I'm gonna show you available load list real quick. Okay, so I've got a list that pops up on the available load list. Okay, now I recommend that you don't go here. Let's go into the members section on there, okay? So make sure you go in and you log in as your member, sign in, okay? And then scroll down from here, scroll down to the members section, which is right now, I put it right below this training video that we have on this one. So you're gonna go down and here's the actual loads, okay, that show the prices, the rate, where it's picking up, going to, what the commodity is. It shows everything that you need, okay? So now you have all this right here, so available loads. So what I would do is so in here I said, okay, this one goes Utah, Idaho, Utah, Idaho. So we're gonna go back to this list. We're gonna go to the physical state, and we're going to click on that filter we just did, okay? So again, filter, right? Top click, left, come in here, hit filter, it adds, then go over here to these sheets that we've downloaded of all the carriers in the country, and click on this state, unselect all, and then go down here and look for Oregon, not Oregon, Utah or Idaho it said, right? So Utah, and then it said Idaho. All right. Utah, Idaho, Idaho. Okay, now you got Utah, Idaho, and it shows only the trucks for Utah, Idaho. Okay, so that's how to use Excel a little bit. The other thing that I'm going to show you on Excel real quick that you could do is I really like this one in sorted things. You're likely not looking at a list that's sorted right now, but the way that you do that is you, again, click the whole sheet. You have to click the whole sheet or it won't sort everything together. So click the whole sheet, then go up here to... you're going to go to data again, and you're going to hit sort. And then you're looking for number of power units like that, or you can do number of drivers total, or any, I would say down here like this. So number of power units, click OK, and then it'll sort the whole thing so that the one with the most power units are up at the top. Make sense? All right. Appreciate Raymond for saying that he needed this. I hope it helped. Ask questions. I'll answer. I'll do videos, and I think it'll help everybody really get this worked out. All right.